Hey everyone, it's the one and only Nisha's Hair, and welcome back to my channel. If you're a first time viewer, definitely hit that subscribe button to get more updates on my content. As you can see, I'm adding this L'Oreal Hicolor highlights in this color bowl, and I'm about to mix it together with some 30 volume developer. So the client I'm doing right now has dark virgin hair at the roots and honey blonde at the ends of her hair. She wanted to turn her honey blonde hair color into a deep copper red color. So here I am mixing the L'Oreal Hicolor Copper with the 30 developer, and one thing I could definitely say about L'Oreal Hicolor, the dye is very thick, so you have to mix for like a good 10-15 minutes until all those clumps are kind of dissolved into the developer. I definitely recommend using like a whisk or something to break down all the clumps. I didn't have one at the moment, so I just used the coloring brush. So this is how her hair looks right now, and I'm applying the color at the very front of her hair. I normally start at the ends, but I wanted to start at the roots because they were very dark, and I wanted the color to really get to her roots really well, especially in the front area, because sometimes that's one of the areas that is really hard to get. So I parted her hair into 4 sections, which helps me a lot when it comes to coloring because I can get every single part of her hair and roots very easily without missing like a chunk or something. Once I was done applying the color to the perimeter of her hair, I started going row by row and applying the color starting at her roots and working my way to the ends of her hair. I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight. Even though you see me starting at the roots, I definitely recommend starting at the ends, especially if the ends are bright like this. So the ends could process a lot longer than the roots, and the roots definitely process a lot faster because it's virgin hair. So just for future recommendations, if you ever think about coloring someone's hair, definitely start at the ends first. I just decided to start at the roots, but I definitely recommend starting at the ends first. One thing I definitely want to notify you guys is that if you're coloring someone's hair with copper, with this specific brand, and their ends or hair was previously dyed honey blonde and it's still honey blonde before you dye it, it's gonna come out more of a bright ginger color. So you'll have to go over it with a darker color, which I forgot to record and put into the video. But I'm gonna put it in the descriptions, the color I used after applying this copper, because her hair came out more of like a bright ginger color instead of that dark copper color she was looking for. So we had to mix it with another color. I'm gonna put it somewhere in this video, but we had to mix it with another color to give her that dark deep red that she was looking for. You know I'm just that kind. No, I'm thinking
watching my stories. I see you getting my lifestyle. I see you watching my movements. This bad bitch bad every day. I know they look at your face. Bad man bad every day. Get on your knees and pray. Do you regain your faith? Bad killer, love is somebody that protect my energy from your cardula. In my past, don't say I be my healer, everything I desire. I'm gonna receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get sour, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on, my jigger. I go just follow my lead. I'm feeling vibes all night. I'm kicking dynamite. I play your candle light. You know I'm just that type. No, nothing kill my vibe. Nothing kill my vibe.
After I was done applying the color, I went ahead and put a shower cap on her hair and put her under the dryer for like 30 minutes so the color could process. So this is how the color came out after rinsing it, and it came out really good. It came out exactly the way that she wanted it. Now I'm just blow drying it for her. I'm using my fellow hairstylist's blow dryer, and it was one of the best blow dryers I've ever used. It's very easy to use. I'm going to put the name of the blow dryer in the description box because it was definitely A1. I realized as I was blow drying her hair, the color came out a lot more, and I'm just loving how this red is looking on her. And I love how the roots look like darker and the ends were a bit lighter, and it gave like a 3-tone color, and she loved it as well. It looks so good. I was truly obsessed with this color. It's such a perfect color for like fall, you know, the fall time. Like, this literally matches that time of the year.
But I don't wanna play your fair, yeah. Something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Says, my mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So this was the end result of the color, and this is how it looks fully blow dried, and it looks absolutely beautiful. It is the perfect color for the fall season, and I just love that ombre look that it has going on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.